Water hyacinth is first inspected at the harvesting site to assess maturity and fiber quality. The harvester is carefully aligned to ensure efficient and controlled plant collection. Rotating cutters detach the plants cleanly while minimizing damage to surrounding water. Cut plants are lifted from the water while excess moisture drains away immediately. Loose debris is removed early to protect downstream processing equipment.
Harvested plants are transferred into shore bins for controlled handling.
Each batch is weighed to track material flow into the processing facility.
Bins are transported to the plant using controlled electric material handling equipment. Collected plants enter the facility through a controlled receiving system. Feed gates control plant flow to maintain stable downstream processing. An initial rinse removes surface contaminants before deeper processing begins.
Recovered wash water is filtered and reused to reduce overall consumption.
Manual inspection ensures only clean plant material moves forward. Feed rollers prepare the plants for uniform mechanical size reduction. High-speed blades reduce the plants to a consistent processing size. Chopped material is transferred smoothly to the next processing stage. Inline sensors measure moisture levels to guide drying parameters. Automated controls adjust material flow to maintain consistent processing conditions. Prepared material is fed into the drying system for controlled moisture removal. Drying begins with carefully regulated heat and airflow. Tumble drying ensures even moisture reduction throughout the material. Exhaust air is filtered to remove moisture and fine plant particles.
Dried fibers exit the system, ready for cooling and further refinement.
Cooling stabilizes the fibers before mechanical refinement. Automated inspection confirms fiber density and uniformity before refinement. Dried fibers are fed into refining equipment to improve texture and consistency. Refining loosens and separates fibers to achieve a uniform working texture. Dust extraction systems maintain air quality during fiber refinement. Refined fibers are collected and prepared for quality evaluation. Representative samples are taken to verify fiber quality standards. Samples are delivered to the lab for detailed quality analysis. Visual inspection checks fiber length, cleanliness, and consistency. Moisture and strength tests confirm fibers meet processing requirements. Approved fibers are cleared to move into product forming stages. Cleared fibers are released back into the line for product formation. Blending creates a uniform fiber mix for consistent product quality. Discharge gates regulate fiber flow for precise forming. Fibers are shaped into a continuous mat ready for compression. Alignment systems ensure the mat enters compression evenly.
Controlled compression densifies the fiber mat for strength and stability.
High pressure binds fibers into a dense, durable structure. Pressure is released gradually to preserve mat structure and integrity. Heat setting stabilizes the compressed mat for long-term durability. Even heat locks the mat's shape and mechanical properties.
Cooling locks in the heat-set structure before cutting and shaping. Automated scanners verify final mat dimensions before cutting.
Precise alignment prepares the mat for clean edge trimming.
Automated trimming creates precise, uniform edges on every mat.
Trim waste is compacted for efficient recycling or disposal.
Final surface inspection ensures each mat meets visual quality standards.
Automated cutters position themselves to achieve exact product lengths. Clean cuts produce uniform product lengths with minimal fiber damage.
Cut sections are separated and routed for individual finishing steps. Edge finishing ensures precise geometry and professional appearance.
Final measurements confirm each piece meets exact specifications. Final surface cleaning removes loose fibers before finishing. A protective treatment enhances durability and handling performance.
The coating is cured under controlled airflow and temperature.
Cooling stabilizes the finished surface before packaging. Each finished piece is marked for traceability and quality control. Robotic systems align finished pieces for accurate stacking.
Finished mats are stacked automatically to protect shape and edges.
Light compression stabilizes stacks for safe handling and movement. Protective layers prevent surface damage during storage and shipping. Strapping secures each stack for stable storage and transport.
Protective wrapping shields the product from dust and moisture.
Labels provide tracking information for warehouse and logistics control. Automated vehicles transport finished goods safely into warehouse storage. Finished products are stored in organized warehouse racks until shipment. Inventory systems track every pallet for accurate warehouse management. Customer orders trigger automated picking from warehouse storage. Automated vehicles retrieve pallets accurately from high-density storage. Retrieved pallets are moved to the dispatch zone for final checks. Dispatch inspection confirms the load is secure and correctly labeled. Final scanning authorizes the shipment for outbound delivery. The pallet moves onto the loading system for outbound handling. Dock systems align the loading area for safe and efficient transfer. The pallet is loaded securely into the outbound trailer for delivery. Interior restraints keep the load stable throughout transportation. The trailer is sealed and secured, completing the outbound shipment. Outbound records are verified to ensure accurate delivery and traceability. The shipment departs the facility under controlled dock release procedures. The finished products begin their journey through the distribution network.
The shipment reaches a regional distribution warehouse for receiving.
The trailer is positioned precisely for safe inbound unloading. Dock locks secure the trailer to prevent movement during unloading. The trailer is opened and the cargo condition is visually verified. Inbound inspection confirms shipment integrity before unloading.
Pallets are unloaded carefully to preserve product condition.
Unloaded pallets are staged for inbound processing and distribution.
Scanning assigns each pallet to its next distribution route.
Pallets are routed to regional storage based on distribution demand.
Products are stored in regional racks until retail distribution is scheduled. Retail demand signals initiate allocation from regional storage. Allocated pallets are retrieved automatically for retail distribution. Retrieved pallets move to the retail dispatch staging zone. Final inspection ensures retail shipments meet handling standards. Retail labels assign each pallet to a specific delivery route. The pallet advances toward the retail loading dock for shipment. Retail dock systems align to ensure safe and efficient loading. The pallet is loaded into the retail trailer for final delivery. Retail loads are secured to maintain stability during transit. The retail trailer is sealed and ready for final delivery. The retail shipment departs the distribution center under controlled release procedures.
The shipment moves through local routes toward its retail destination. Fagnound.
The delivery reaches the retail distribution center for final handling.
The trailer is positioned accurately for retail receiving operations.
Dock locks secure the trailer before retail unloading begins.
The trailer is opened and the load is confirmed intact for unloading.
The pallet is unloaded carefully to preserve product quality.
Received pallets are staged for retail intake and final distribution.
Retail intake scanning updates inventory and confirms product availability.
Bulk pallets are broken down into store-ready unit quantities. Individual units are bundled into store-ready quantities for shelf handling. Store labels and price codes prepare products for direct retail handling. Final checks confirm each bundle is ready for retail shelves. Store-ready bundles are loaded into carts for direct retail floor delivery. Products move from the back room directly to the retail floor.
Products are arranged neatly for customer selection.
From raw water plants to retail shelves, the process is complete.